Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will watch and listen the quotes about Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. What did other imams say about Imam Mahdi alayhi salam? So let's get started. Our first Imam, Amirul Mu'mineen, Imam Ali alayhi salam, said the promised Mahdi will emerge at the end of the time from among us. Hatune Jannat, Hazrat Fatima alayhi salam, told her son Imam Hussein alayhi salam, "When I gave birth to you, the Prophet, peace be upon him, came to see me and said, 'O Fatima, know that he is the father of 9 Imams. From his descendants will appear righteous, among whom the 9th will be the Qaim.'" Shahzada Imam Hassan alayhi salam said, "There will be 12 Imams following the Prophet, peace be upon him. 9 of these will be from the offspring of my brother Imam Hussein alayhi salam. The Mahdi of his ummah will be among us." Karim Karbala, Imam Hussein alayhi salam said, 12 Imams will be from among us. The first will be Ali ibn Abi Talib, and the last will be 9th descendant, the rightful al-Qaim. Sayyid al-Sajidin, Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam said, the birth of our Qaim will be hidden from the people. Baqirul Ulum, Imam Muhammad Baqir alayhi salam said, at the end of the time, the Mahdi will emerge from among us, who will protect the religion of Allah. Sadki Ali Muhammad, Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salam said, whoever accepts all the Imams but denies the existence of Mahdi is like the one who accepts all the prophets but he denies the prophethood of Muhammad, peace be upon him. Bab al-Huwaij, Imam Musa Kazim alayhi salam said, the Qaim who will purify the earth from the enemies of Allah and fill it with justice is my 5th descendant. Shahi Khurasan, Imam Ali al-Raza alayhi salam said, the promised Mahdi will be old in age but young in appearance. When he emerges, the rod of Musa and the seal of Suleiman are with him. That person will be my 4th descendant. Imam Taqi al-Jawad, Imam Muhammad Taqi alayhi salam said, our Qaim is the same as the promised Mahdi, whom you should await, and when he appears you should obey. He will be my 3rd descendant. Imam al-Hadi, Imam Ali Naqi alayhi salam said, following me, my son Hassan is the Imam, and following Hassan it will be the Qaim who will fill the earth with justice and equity. Imam al-Hasan Askari alayhi salam said, let it be known to you that the ghibah of my son will be so long that people will fall in doubt, expect those whose faith Allah protects. Each of the Masoomeen spoke of the coming of the Mahdi, who would fill the world with justice and fairness. If we die without knowing him, then it is as if we were not, that we are not Muslims. So it is very important that we recognize our Sahibul Zaman, our Imam Mahdi, know him and follow his teaching. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.